Welcome to the channel. My name is Rebecca. Today is a tag video. This tag started January something last month by Jerusha. She is probably the first or second person I started watching on YouTube back in like 2013, a long time ago. And she did this video, and I think she named it The One and Only. So out of the luxury handbag brand names that you have in your collection, whether it be Michael Kors or all the way up to Hermes, which bag would you keep out of each one of your luxury handbag houses? It's very difficult. She was not lying when she put this tag on. Luckily, maybe if you only have one out of each brand, then you should just show them off. I welcome you to do this video, put it out there, show your favorite handbag. Now, I only have 3. I'm looking over here because I have extra handbags back over here on a different shelf. And I have Louis Vuitton, Hermes, and I have Chanel. So those are the 3 that I'm going to do in this video. And you pick one, and it has to be the one and only if you got rid of everything else. Which one would you keep? The Chanel handbags that I have, this one was easy for me because I've said this in another previous video that it would always be this red jumbo single flap from 2010. It's a 13 series. I'm currently using this bag this week. This jumbo is my favorite. It's lambskin with silver hardware, and I absolutely love this handbag. And my very first Chanel bag was this one. You know what? I'll find that video about the review on this, and I'll link it down below. So if you're curious to know more information about this, what I paid for it, what did it come with, the sizes, the whole review, I'll link that down below. But definitely my Chanel #1 that I would keep is this jumbo red Chanel single flap jumbo. Moving on to Louis Vuitton. I have a keep all for traveling. I have a Speedy 35 and a Speedy 30. And I would keep the Speedy 30. The Speedy 30, I purchased this, actually this was my very first luxury pre-loved handbag that I ever got. This was the very first one. I purchased this pre-loved through fashionfile.com. I love this size. Trying to think, I believe I only paid like 400 and some odd dollars for this way back in like 2015. And this is from the 90s, so this is a very old bag with an old lock, no key. Love this, love this. I love that it has been treated with somebody that owned this previously. All 4 of these tabs are darkened. The zipper pull, everything on here, it works. It's in great condition. This would be my forever Louis Vuitton bag that I would not get rid of. And then the Hermes. I only have 3 pieces from that brand, and I have 2 35 Birkins and 1 Ancient Kelly. And the one bag that I would keep no matter what would be my very first one that I purchased pre-love from Fashion File, and it's jean. Now blue jeans come back all the way around again. Hermes is doing this again, but I don't believe it's in this Clemence leather. So this one was pre-loved. I got it fashion file. I just have a big pillow stuffed in it right now. This would be my forever bag with Hermes. I would not get rid of this one. And plus the price that I paid for this was so low compared to what they are right now. It's just, it's insane. I think this was $5,500. 5,550. Remember that it had a lot of fives in it, but definitely under $6,000, and you cannot buy these pre-loved for that price anymore. I like this size. I like big bags. Jumbo. This jumbo is a 30 centimeters, so it's the same size as this. Guess you can't really see it, but the same size as this 30 Speedy. And then this is a 35 for the big Birkin. Those are my 3 handbags that I would keep no matter what. Those are it. This was a fun tag video to do. I want everyone that's watching this video, if you have a YouTube channel and you have handbags, do the video. Do one to show what brand you carry, which one is the one and only that you would keep in your own collection. It's so fun to actually look at your collection and then pick one and really think, why is that the one that you would keep? It's just a coincidence that these happen to be all 3 of my very first ones of these houses. Very first Chanel, my very first Louis Vuitton, my very first Hermes. But that doesn't have to be the case with you. It could be anything that you have. What's your favorite? Do you have Coach bags? Which one do you like the best? Do you have Michael Kors? Do you have Michael Jacobs, or Marc Jacobs, excuse me. He's got a lot of cool handbags, so maybe you have some of those. Just do this. Do the tag, the one and only tag that Jerusha started. I'm going to link her video down below so that you guys can see the original and what she chose out of her collection. And hit that subscribe button. That would be fabulous. I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm almost there, so hit that subscribe button because it's free. And what else is free right now? Hardly anything. Definitely not handbags. Hit the subscribe button. It is absolutely free to you. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.